Hi, how are you my dear Naranites? I hope everyone are fine. Now coming to the point. So today in this video, we are going to see an assignment on major domains of the earth, so which is related to class 6th. Are you ready guys? Now let's start our assignment with the first question. See, here is your first question children. In which hemisphere does Asia lie? You can tell the answer. I will show you. See children, here is different continents. Even we divided, see, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere, northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. Now Asia comes under which hemisphere? Yes, exactly, that is eastern hemisphere. See, here is eastern hemisphere. That means hemisphere means half, right? So that is western side and this is eastern side. So now Asia is located in the eastern hemisphere. Is it clear? So that is what first question answer. Asia lies in the eastern hemisphere. Now let's take second question. Name the world's largest hot desert. Where is it located? Yeah, obviously this general knowledge question. The answer is Sahara Desert. So it is located in Africa. So you know African continent where it is? See, this is Africa. So Sahara Desert located here. Okay children? Yes. Now let's take third question. How is North America linked to South America? Okay. So North America is linked to South America by a narrow strip of land called the Thomas of Panama. I will show you in the map, see children. See, this is North America and this is South America. So North America and South America is linked with the Panama. This is also called as Panama Canal. Okay, so this is the way how it connected North America and South America. Next, so 3 questions completed children. Now coming to the fourth question. Name the oceans that surrounded the North America continent. Yeah, see here. This is North America continent. Surrounded which oceans are there children? One is Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, then Atlantic Ocean. So that is what the answer. See here, fourth question answer. Name, so one is Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean and Arctic Ocean. So these are the 3 oceans surrounded the North American continent. Now let's take fifth question. Name the largest continent on the earth. Yes, obviously the answer is Asia, because this is also general knowledge question. So Asia is the largest continent on the earth. Yeah, just now we saw in the map. See one more time if you want to see. See here. See, this is Asia. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Now, sixth question children. Name the latitude that runs through the middle of Africa. The answer is equator. See here children. See, this is the middle line. See, 3 lines are here. Okay. So the middle line is called equator. See. So this equator line is passed through middle of African continent. So this is Africa and this middle line is passing through middle of the African continent. Okay. Now, seventh question. Which continent is the third largest continent in the world? The answer is North America. Yeah, just now we saw in the map. Now, eighth question. Name the latitude that passes through Europe. The answer is Arctic Circle. See here. See, this is the Europe. Okay. See, the Arctic Circle means, so this is Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn. And one more line, see here, this is called Arctic Circle, which is 66 degrees half north. So which is passes through middle of Europe. So this is called Arctic Circle. Okay children. So that is what? 8th question. Next, coming to the 9th question. What do you mean by Eurasia? See, name itself is there, Eurasia. That means the combination, the landmass which is a combination of Europe and Asia is called as Eurasia. So that is what's here. The combined landmass of Europe and Asia is called as Eurasia. That means Europe plus Asia. We call it as Eurasia. Next, 10th question. through which continent the Tropic of Cancer, the Equator and Tropic of Capricorn passes? See, the answer is Africa, children. See, this is Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn. These three latitudes passes through one continent, that is Africa. Okay? So that is what here. 10th question answer. Tropic of Cancer, Equator, Tropic of Capricorn. Three latitudes are passes through African continent. Next, 11th question. Why is Northern Hemisphere called Land of Hemisphere? Because it is a greater part of the land mass, children. So that is why it is called as Land of Hemisphere. See, the answer is because the greater part of the land mass lies in the Northern Hemisphere. So that is why it is called as Land Hemisphere. Next, 12th question, children. Name the longest river that flows through Africa. The answer is Nile. So which is located in Egypt. That means in African continent. Next, 13th question. The Asian continents lies in the dash hemisphere. Yeah, already we discussed in the first question also. The Asian continent lies in the eastern hemisphere. Next, which continent lies completely in the northern hemisphere and western hemisphere? The answer is North America. See, children, here. See, the North America, western hemisphere and northern hemisphere. Which continent is located? That is North America. Okay. So that is what? 14th question answer. North America, which is lies completely in the northern and western hemisphere. So these are 14 question answers, children. I hope you are very clear with these answers. Thank you so much. I will meet you in the next assignment. Until that, signing off.